This is a question I asked. I keep going back to Shah Rukh simply because it's most recent in my mind. And he said to me, he did the same thing more or less. He came in and said, do what you want with me.
But you know, I believe, can I say this about Shah Rukh, that I believe that he is and will remain one of the biggest superstars because he, one, does not take himself too seriously. The world does.
Yeah.
And secondly, he always makes you feel special.
Yes.
Not just, you know, the people he works with, but anyone who meets him. You know, Mr. Bachchan, for example, he is professionalism personified. Professional personified. It's amazing because during FA especially, I experienced this. He had prosthetics which would take him 4.5 to 5 hours to, you know, get into. And when he was on set, he'd just transform into that character. I remember a time when, you know, it was my close-up. He was not really required. So Balki said, we'll get someone to give you the cues. And he actually sat there and gave me the cues. That's something that I'll never forget, because here we're talking about the Amitabh Bachchan, the biggest legend Indian cinema has ever seen or will ever see. And yet, he was here giving me a cue because he truly believes that acting is about reacting.
Sure. Yeah.
You know, these are humbling experiences. Also, I worked with Naseeruddin Shah, another legend.
Yeah. Yeah.
And he is, he's got such an easy air, such a wry sense of humor.
Yeah.
He's fantastic to work with. You know, over the years, I've realized that my body is a certain type, and I've become more accepting of it. So I've begun to enjoy it the way it is. I think that's the only way to do it, really. Also, because our Indian women are blessed with a certain kind of face, a certain kind of body. Why run away from it? So I've stopped trying to even change anything. At one point, I probably wanted to be really stickly thin, but not anymore. I love my curves. I've always had them.
Yeah. What's your wish list for 2012? Apart from getting some sleep.
Yeah, apart from getting sleep, spending time with loved ones. I think time in terms of hopefully a holiday. I've not been on a holiday with family in a long time. So hoping to do that this year. Maybe take a short course in something interesting.
Okay.
Even if it's a 1, 2, 3 week course, I'll be happy to do that. And then get back to work.